Now, the idea behind the GRI was looking at this and saying, well, as we go forward, we'll have more and more decisions to make about what kind of an environment we want going forward, what kind of a society we want to build, what kind of an economy we want to build, how do we make ourselves sustainable. And in order to have that discussion, we need two things. First, we need a common language. What do we mean by social sustainability? It's a discussion which all parts of society have to be involved in. But in order for everybody to be involved, they have to have a similar vocabulary, a similar understanding of what we're talking about. What do we mean by environmental sustainability? Second, we need to have a set of performance indicators, some measures that we can all use to try and talk about our progress and decide whether or not we're moving towards sustainable development or moving away from it. So the GRI was created with the intention of trying to establish a globally accepted framework for how organizations, public sector, private sector, nonprofit, could report, how they could measure and report on their progress towards sustainable development, how they could measure and report on their economic, environmental, and social performance. Now, I use the word sustainability reporting. There are lots of different terms in different parts of the world. In the United States, people like to say corporate citizenship, because it's a bit of the historical culture there. In Europe, often people will talk about corporate social responsibility. In Korea, it's corporate sustainability management. But in the end, it's all the same thing. It's how do you take a holistic look at an organization to be able to look at its financial development, its broader economic performance, how it's contributing to wealth